You think English grammar tenses are confusing? Well, not anymore. Because in today's video, I'm going to explain all 12 tenses in English language in a simple and clear way and with super practical sentences so you can use them right away. By the end, you'll understand not just what they are, but how and when to use them. So, let's go. Let's start with the question, what are tenses? Tenses show time, past, present, future, and they show the type of action as well. So, we have three main times in English grammar, past, present, and future. Each of them has four forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So that's a total of 12 tenses in English. Easy so far? Let's break them down. So we have the first tense, which is present tense. Simple present tense. The formula is so simple. Subject plus a verb plus the rest of the sentence. When you're using the verb for he, she, it, you have to add s to the end of the verb. Like, I work every day. She works every day. He works every day. It works every day. So we use this tense for habits, routines, and facts. Habits like I drink tea every morning. It's a habit. Like I go to school every day. It's a routine. The water boils at 100 degrees. Then we have present continuous. Again, the formula is so simple. Subject plus to be verbs, am is are, plus verb plus ing. I am working right now. I am filming right now. Or she is talking right now. He is reading a book right now. We use this tense for actions happening at the moment or temporary situations. They are not permanent. They are just for now, temporary. Like, I'm cooking dinner. Then we have present perfect. Subject plus have, has, plus past participle of the verb. I have worked here for 3 years. So, you have to remember, you have to memorize past participle of the verbs and you have to memorize them. There is no way to learn them. You have to just memorize them. So I have worked here for 3 years. I have uploaded videos for 2 years. So we use this tense for actions started in the past but is still true in the moment. Totally, you can say for life experiences like she's been in China. She has been in China. Or she has gone to China. It's a life experience, you know. She went in the past, but the life experience still exists within her. So you can say she has gone to China. And the first one is present perfect continuous. Do you remember present perfect? So we have subject, have or has, plus been, plus verb ing. I have been working all morning. So we use this tense for actions started in the past, but they continued for a while and the focus is on the duration of that action. Like, I have been working all morning. Or, he has been writing all night. He has been driving all night. So we focus on the duration of that action in this tense. All night, all morning, all week. Like, I have been sleeping all week. Let's go to the past tenses. The first one is simple past. We use this tense for completed actions in the past, and the formula is so simple. Subject plus verb form in the past. And we have two different kind of verbs in the past tense, irregular and regular ones. So regular ones, we just add ed, d to the end of the verb, like work, worked, talk, talked. And we have irregular verbs, which the form changes completely. So speak, spoke, eat, ate, drink, drank. And like I worked yesterday. She worked yesterday. He worked yesterday. We worked yesterday. Then we have past continuous. Subject plus to be verbs in the past was, were, and plus verb ing, like I was drinking tea. And this tense usually talks about ongoing actions in the past and usually gives us background details like I was walking when you called. He was sleeping when I came home. He was sleeping when I called. And then we have past perfect. We use this tense for talking about actions completed before another action. And the formula is again so simple. Subject plus had plus past participle of the verb. I had finished the work before he arrived. She had finished the dishes before I arrived. He had finished the letters before I arrived. And the last one is past perfect continuous. This one is a little tricky. We use this tense to talk about ongoing actions in the past before another point in the past. Subject plus had been plus verb ing. I had been working for 2 hours when she arrived. So, I had been studying for 3 hours before my teacher came. She had been cooking dinner for 5 hours when he arrived. So, again, here the focus is on the duration. How many hours? Now let's go to the future tenses. The first one is simple future. The formula is so simple. Subject plus will plus base form of the verb. I will call you. She will call you. She'll call me. And he will come home soon. We use this tense for predictions, instant decisions, and promises. So, he'll be home soon. It's a prediction. I'm not sure, but he will be home soon. I'm just predicting it. Then we have future continuous. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. I will be working at 5 p.m. I'll be leaving at 6 p.m. We use this tense for talking about ongoing actions in a specific time in the future. Then we have future perfect. Subject plus will plus have plus past participle of the verb. I will have finished my exams by next week. She will have finished college by next year. So we use this tense to talk about actions completed before a specific time in the future. And the 12th tense is future perfect continuous. This one is the hardest one and you will learn it at a C1 level, I guess. So subject plus will plus have been plus verb ing. By 2026, I will have been working here for 10 years. Or by 2026, I will have been studying English for 6 years. So we use this tense to emphasize duration before a future point. Here are some tips for you to master all 12 tenses. Try to learn them in groups. I mean, study present tenses at once, and when you mastered present tenses, then go on for the past tenses or future tenses. The second point is use real life examples. They help you remember the formula and the structure really well and clearly. Try to use them in real conversations. I know some of them are not really useful, but try to talk to yourself and use the structures you've just learned. And the first tip is try to practice daily. Even writing a short sentence or even speaking a sentence is enough for you to remember and to review what you just learned. So now you know all 12 tenses in English, but the real magic happens when you start practicing them and when you start using them in your real life, in your conversations, in your speech. Use one of the tenses that you love the most and comment below one sentence using that tense. I'll check your comments and I see if there is any mistakes and I will correct them for you.